Good morning. Today we're going to do our Wilson dictation page. If you do not have a printer to print this out, just write it on a piece of notebook paper and take a picture and email it to me. Today we're going to be doing sub-step 1.3, lesson number 3, and today's date is 4/16/2020. All right, first we're going to start with our sounds. So number 1, write the letter that makes the sound G. Write the letter that makes the sound G. Number 2, write the letter that makes the sound H. Number 3, write the letter that makes the sound I. Number 4, write the letter that makes the sound E. And number 5, write the letter or letters that make the sound Qu. We don't have to worry about word elements because we're not there yet. So we're going to go down and we're going to do our real words. The first word, shed. Sh-e-d, shed. Number 2, let. L-et, let. Number 3, nut. N-ut, nut. Number 4, chug. Ch-ug, chug. And number 5, mesh. M-e-sh, mesh. If I go too fast, feel free to pause the video. You can rewind it if you need to hear something again. All right, we're going to go over and do our nonsense words. These are not real words. The first word, jump. J-up, jump. Number 2, diff. D-if, diff. And number 3, tem. T-e-m, tem. All right, I want you to go back on your real words and nonsense words, and I want you to underline any digraphs. And we're going to move down to phrases. Number 1, remember these have those high frequency sight words, so some of them you will not be able to tap out. Those are those ones that you have to memorize that you practiced in your typing practice. So number 1, was with him. Was with him. Number 2, bit his lip. Bit his lip. Number 3, a cat and dog. A cat and dog. All right, then we'll go down to our sentences. Ed got the fish with his net. Ed got the fish with his net. Remember, when you're doing sentences, remember what a sentence starts with and what goes at the end of a sentence. Number 2, Ben let the dog on his bed. Ben let the dog on his bed. And number 3, I wish to get that hat back. I wish to get that hat back. All right, and that finishes up our lesson for the day. If you'll just send me a picture of your page, I will see you tomorrow.